Hi everyone, in this short video I will show you how to make a forecast for FX rates. In this file I have the data for USD CHF, which is US dollar against Swiss franc. The FX rates since 2003 till 2020 August 21st. I have date, open, high, low, close prices. I will choose open price. So just highlight the date and open price, drag it down till the end, go to Data tab, hit Forecast Sheet here, and hit Create. If you want to change the end date for your forecast, you can change it from here. I will keep it as it is. So we have the table and graph. I will move this graph down and enlarge it. So here we have the forecasted prices, and in this graph the blue line illustrates the historical prices since 2003, and this yellow line shows you the forecast, and there is upper confidence bound and lower confidence bound.